ALTURE is detecting possible errors even before they occur and is saving us time in the reaction, which of course results positively in our first-time quality. I'm Niklas Doschko. I'm part of the manufacturing engineering team here in CNH Austria in our tractor assembly plant in St. Valentin. We are assembling everything from the transmission, the engine, to the top, the cabin, everything here in one plant. Tightenings are very important in this process. Before using ALTURE, we had to analyze every screwing data manually. We had to wait for the feedback from our assembly workers. So we always worked in a reactive way. Sometimes this takes a lot of time and yeah, mistakes can happen. So now we are using ALTURE. ALTURE is analyzing our screwing data continuously. It can detect deviations in our assembly process or even some damaged hardware, and now we can react much quicker. For example, ALTURE sent me a notification that we have a specific angle variation in one joint. We found out that engineering released a new part with other materials, and that affects the joint, of course, and ALTURE detected this. Without ALTURE, we would have produced a lot of tractors and a lot of rework, for example. I would say ALTURE supports us in a more proactive and even preventive way. So now if ALTURE detects an issue on our assembly line, it clearly sends me notifications, recommendations on how to fix that issue. I have also ALTURE on my Apple Watch, so now I get directly the notification on my wrist. ALTURE is a big benefit for our assembly line because it saves time, makes the process more efficient, and it even secures the process much more.